All right, so I kind of fixed it. It helped a lot by canceling a lot of cabin noise. What I did, you can see here, is I cut up plywood. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a plywood, right? You're gonna have to cut these as well. You see here, because it won't fit. So there you go. I took out my spare, but in order for this to get in here, you have to cut the edges and then simply push it in here. And that helps a lot with the in-cabin noise. And of course, little hole here for the handle on this one. But fairly easy. I just got a plywood measured, and that's it. There. Now you don't mind this little lift right here, because now you have to cut another line, but I didn't mind that. So, but it does do a big difference. And like I said, you can barely tell. But this helps with the cabin noise when you have an exhaust.